It's always that one. It's always that one.
Oh my god, I have the same poster.
Yeah.
What if I wake up happy? And what if I wake up sad? Sorry if I said something that made you mad.
Travis.
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 Zach's sitting in the middle, right?
No. Sorry. I'm sorry. Where's my phone? Hello? There it is.
I have it.
Bro, my phone flew from my lap to Joanne's lap. See this.
So, what's my name?
Trevor.
Oh,
Trevor with a T.
Oh, I hope it's a T.
Sorry, my service bad. My bad. When I wake up, you're not next to me. Guess I'm missing all your energy. That's all I want. Promise I am not your enemy. I just need another memory. That's all I want.
Streetcar. Alright, I'm gonna try to go up to find Alex.
Wow, set. It takes two.
I want a Coca-Cola one.
These are original vintage advertising. These card holders are literally the same kind of card holders I use for my K-pop cards.
Really?
Yeah, like this literally the same thing except it's a lot smaller.
There we go!
40 starting with that.
Does it ever go away? All I want is you to answer me right now. Just dance with me right now. Just dance with me right now.
This looking guy is like, oh my god, it's coming towards us, so cute.
How is everyone doing tonight?
Rogue wave hit the ship on its side. The ship listed to 50 degrees, and they lost about a dozen containers.
Damn.
That was very funny. Cup of coffee. We don't know how to record this.
I'm exhausted, dude.
Oh, how cool!
looks so fake. I know, I like it.
What are you gonna get?
I'm gonna get Dick's Dalu and Especial.
Wow. I'm gonna get a hamburger plain. 10 cents off for the ketchup and mustard. But I'll also get french fries. Yeah. I miss Moss Burger.
Oh.
Me too!
Yo, okay, yo.
Moss Burger!
Not true.
Telling stories how you kind of just went and then left me.
You left her. I love the lime scooters though.
They are fun, except downhill I need to be so much more careful. I was turning and then I think I pressed it too hard and then I like tilted.
Not to give myself an excuse, but I had my AirPods in and I was.
That's true, he did
I was in a meeting.
Oh, you were?
So as I turned around, I saw nobody. I thought she just gave up and, you know, like stayed at Starbucks. So I just kept going, and when I got to the hotel, I actually got to check my phone because I was just listening the whole time to the talk. I see my phone is like.
I just fell and hit my head.
I just felt. It's like, is it really bad? Like, yeah. And she sent me a photo of her back, and then photo of her head, and like, I was like, fuck, I can't.
That hurt. Just doing
Wait,
that.
where were you? On the
Just
floor
sitting.
waiting the entire
Yeah,
time?
no, I was literally sitting on the sidewalk, just sitting there, right where I fell. And then I got up and then I walked to
Honey hole.
Honey Hole and I just sat there because
This is,
we ordered something.
So Starbucks reserves walking to Salt and Straw.
We ordered another burger. Look at that.
No, wait, is another burger? What a shame. I'm gonna have to eat that then.
I've never seen this before. This is so cool.
Right?
What the heck?
Hey guys, just finished a Din Tai Fung, and I'll explain a little more about cheese later because I don't want to be talking with the background music for too long. Hey guys, so I'm here to introduce you guys to Cheese. Basically, Cheese is a debit card that gives you rewards, and you may be thinking, well, what kinds of rewards? Well, let me show you. As you can see on the side of the screen, I've recorded all of the places where you can get rewards from, which is obviously insanely long. My favorite thing about Cheese is that they actually support Asian-owned businesses and restaurants, so you can treat yourself while you help out your community. For example, I use my Cheese card at Din Tai Fung, which y'all know that they are quite pricey, so it doesn't feel too bad to go there. Check the description down below if you're interested in learning more, and let's get back to the video.
I've been out in New York City, dreaming, wishing you were with me. Girl, you look so pretty, going out tonight. I've been missing your smile. You should come and stay a while. Fly a couple miles, let's go out tonight. Oh, you've been running through my mind all day. Yeah, you give me everything I need. Oh, anytime you need me there, I'll stay. I promise it's just you and me. I miss you more than I thought I could, yeah. Somehow I still knew that I would. I miss you more than I thought I should, yeah. Even though you told me I would.
Yes, I have. I was like 5.
Yeah, this rock throwing thing is too hard. I can't do it. On the way to party.
Please hold on to the handrail.
give you a kiss.
Happy
Son, come here, man.
my cup. So I think I have too much cold water and not enough hot water. Oh well.
Thank you.
That good?
Where are you going to get a drink?
No, either no drink than water.
No drink or water. We'll see what he gets.
Such a vibe, look at that.
Hello?
Wow.
You can tilt this.
Welcome aboard the elevator. You are currently traveling up at 10 miles an hour for approximately 41 seconds up to the observation deck.
Do you like this one?
My favorite one.
Really?
So pretty.
So pretty.
Currents and the waves and all the warm pools inside of the ocean. That's, in a sense reflecting on our lives. How our lives could be directed towards one direction.
But then there's different, like
But
the
then-
timeline
but then-
in Loki.
But then there's different.
This right here is literally so cool, but I'm excited to go outside to the glass house because that's like the glass house, Anyway.
So pretty.
So pretty. Space Needle.